You've served me well, but it's time. I just got Nature's Creation Herbal Microwave Heating Pad and my life is changed for the better. It's everything all in one. Heat therapy, cold therapy, and packed with herbs that smell so soothing. I don't have to do anything but pop it in the microwave and bam, total relaxation. They say it contours to any part of your body, and now I understand the importance of what shape actually can do. The heat gets deep fast, and especially dancing hours a day, I need that for muscle relief, stiffness, joints. I think every lifestyle can benefit from this heating pad.